In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is an essential tool for communication and collaboration, and knowing how to efficiently search for information within Teams can greatly enhance your productivity. So, let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of the search function in Microsoft Teams. First, open the Microsoft Teams application on your device. This could be on your desktop or your mobile device. If you've logged in successfully, you should see the Teams interface with various channels and chats depending on your organization's setup. The search bar is prominently located at the top of your Teams window, making it easy to access right away. Next, let's try entering a keyword into the search bar. You might be looking for a particular message, file, or even a keyword within a conversation. Once you've typed in your keyword, press the Enter key on your keyboard to initiate the search. Teams will start scanning through all the chats, channels, and files you have access to. This comprehensive search capability is incredibly powerful, helping you track down the information you need across your entire Teams environment. Upon completing the search, you'll notice that results will be categorized to make it easier for you to refine your search. For example, you might see separate tabs for messages, people, and files. This segregation helps you hone in on precisely what you're looking for, whether it's a conversation you had with a colleague or a document you recently worked on. If you're specifically searching within a particular channel or chat, you can narrow down your results even further. Simply select the channel or chat first, and then use the search bar. Type your keyword and hit Enter. This focused search can be particularly useful when you've participated in extensive discussions within a specific team. Typically, you'll want more specificity in your search, and that's where filters come in handy. Once you've searched for a term, click on the filter icon. Here, you can apply different filters such as from, date, and type to further narrow down the results. Using these filters effectively can help save time and make your search as efficient as possible. In the instances where you are searching for files, don't forget to explore the Files tab. This tab gives you quick access to all documents, spreadsheets, and other files that match your search. It provides a direct view, making it easy to locate and open the file you need without having to sift through long lists of messages. Finally, after finding what you needed, you can simply click on the search result, and it will take you directly to the conversation, file, or individual you were searching for in Teams. This feature is just another example of how Microsoft Teams integrates functionality designed to streamline your work process. And that's it, a comprehensive breakdown of how to search in Microsoft Teams. With these techniques, you'll be navigating through Teams like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.